and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Barefaced Nikki here. So today I have quite a fun video. The other day I was just sitting there and I was thinking, do guys actually know when we do our makeup? Do they know what we're doing? What is actually going through their minds when they kind of stare at us, but it's like a blank stare, there's nothing in their eyes whilst we're doing our makeup? And do you know what? I thought it'd be a really fun video just to find out. So if you want to carry on watching, this is what guys actually think when we do our makeup.
Oh, this is me looking pretty. I'm NikkisSecretx. Ooh, got my Minnie Mouse ears here. Pull the hair back, girls. Don't want no makeup getting in there. Keep that hair fresh. This is my honey drops. A little sprinkle under the eyes. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Oh, that's leaking. That's not professional. I like my honey in my sandwiches, girl. Not on your face. That's made it shiny though. That's shining. A bit of PIXI dust here. Oh, that's a lot. A little wave, yeah? What's this? Again with the creams. This is a lot of cream. We've got you putting makeup on your neck, girl. Why you didn't put makeup? What's this about? Oh, a squeeze of the cheeks. I guess that means the T. Is it T-zone? The T. They're saying about the T. I don't know. I got blackheads on my nose. They're saying about the T. I guess that's to make that bit cleaner. I don't know. I don't know what the shake was about. Well, here we go with the MAC products. Representing. Go make sure you shake them well. This is like a brownie colour. I'm guessing to match with the skin tone. Oh. Oh. This is foundation. I know this one. This is foundation. This is the catfish maker, man. This is the catfish maker. I need to get me some of this stuff. Made me look from that boy from like Slumdog to like Justin Bieber. That's some good stuff, you know. That's some good stuff. And blending it in on the neck to the face. I hate it when girls do that, when it looks two different colours. You do not want that two-tone, girls. Do not want that two-tone. Oh, just a bit under the eye. Get rid of them panda eyes. Not that you've got any, Nick. Nick, you've got no panda eyes. I didn't say that out loud. I should keep that to myself. But just making sure that's like in colour. Oh, the top of the eye as well. We've got a bit of red there. Is that red? No, red was your natural, my bad. Oh, girl, you got something on your chin, you know. Is this foundation? I don't know, I'm lost. The boy's lost. I'm guessing there's some like lip balm. That's going on your lips, yeah? Oh, wow. That's a lot of stuff under your eye. What's happened to your skin tone? Started off Indian, you are no longer Indian. There's a lot of stuff going on there. What is this, some tribal makeover? I don't know what this is. I'm gonna go with Revolution. What does it say there? Oh wow, this is definitely tribal. Now this is to bring out them cheekbones. This is how you con the guys, man. Look, you're giving yourself some cheekbones here, girl. You're giving yourself some cheekbones here. Look at that. Oh, that's looking nice. Yep, there's them cheekbones. That'll bag you, the boy in year 11. Don't worry, that bad boy in year 11, he's gonna notice them cheekbones at school tomorrow. Don't worry about that. Well, again with the cheekbones, what do you want them to protrude out or something? So you going for that Vogue look? What's this jar? Oh, the eyebrows. I don't know what that's called, but I know it's something to do with your eyebrows because you're putting it on your eyebrows. Girl, them eyebrows are looking neat. Eyebrows on fleek. Oh, wow. How come I need to get me some of this. Yep, I'm getting me some of that. That's got to be to flicker it out. Yeah, you know. You know. Make it look like real hair. Let's make it look more hairy. First it just looked like a bit bushy. Oh, I have no idea what you're doing now. None. I swear you already did the eyes. That looks nice though. That looks nice. Oh, this is a lot of product, girl. I don't know what the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. It's got to be eyeshadow. I've heard of eyeshadow before. Oh, just to make sure that the makeup stays clean and sticks to your skin and that. You don't want it coming off the. You want it to stay to your skin. Make it glow. Oh, that's a lot of colours. Well, go for the pink. This girl never wears pink. Go for the pink, Nick. Pink. Oh, what about the eyes? Is this eyeshadow? Well, surely eyeshadow would be underneath the eye, not on top. Yeah, that's eyeshadow. That one's eyeshadow. Bam, got it. This boy knows his stuff. This boy knows his stuff. Oh, did you put pink on? That's a pinky colour. That's a nice colour, you know. No, I'm lost. They must all be eyeshadows. That is like a jar of eyeshadow. Yep, eyeshadow. Got it. Oh, doing the little tips. I thought that was natural. Eyeliner. That's eyeliner. I'm getting, I got good at this. I'm good at this. I should work for Mac. Sign me up. Mac, if you're watching this video, get me a job. Get this boy a job. That's gonna be for your eyelashes. I know that one. I've got one of them myself. Yep. Eyelashes are looking good. Flick them out. Yep. More. Ooh. Glamour. Just sticking them on, yeah? She is ready. She is ready to go. Out. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh. Little drops of heaven. Little drops of heaven. Ooh. The thing is, look, just stop now. Stop what you're doing now, and you're ready to go out, and you won't be late. Just put that down. Look, Nick, put it down. You're ready to go out. This is why you're late. This is why you're 20 minutes late every time. Ooh. There's gonna be lipstick or something. Yep. No, that's not lipstick. The lipstick's different. Lip balm? That's lip balm? No, balm will be like a... I'm lost with that one. I don't know. Them lips looking plump though. Them lips looking good. Ooh, that looks wet. Wet, not greasy. Oh yeah, brush that hair out, girl. That is a good look. That is a good look. This girl's going out. This girl is not going Tesco. You're not going to see this girl in Tesco.
So that is it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I'm going to pin down what my favourite phrase was down below. Let me know what part of the video you loved. And that is it. Follow me on my social handles if you haven't already. I'm going to leave them somewhere near my chest area right now. They will be somewhere there, so you can follow me. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, which is somewhere down below. Hit that notification bell as well. This was just a little bit of a different video, so I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I think that's it. I think they're all the plugs that I wanted to send out there. I think that's it. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.